In this video, we're going to show you how you can permanently delete already deleted photos on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. When you delete a photo from your iPhone, it actually doesn't get removed right away. It stays in your recently deleted folder for up to 30 days. To fully erase it and delete it permanently, simply open up your Photos app and then select the photos you'd like to delete. In this example, I'm actually going to delete these 3 videos. To do this, I just selected them and I'm going to tap on this trash can right here in the bottom right to confirm that decision. And now, as you can see, I just need to scroll down and find the utilities section. And yes, you do have to scroll down just a little bit. And there's going to be a recently deleted option. Simply click on that, view the album with Face ID. And from here, you're going to want to tap on select up at the very top, find the videos or pictures that you'd like to permanently delete, and then tap the 3-dot icon in the bottom right corner, and then finally hit delete one more time. It's going to say delete from all devices. This is essentially just a confirmation right here. Simply click on this and you'll be good to go. Now those pictures are no longer going to be there no matter what. They're essentially permanently removed from your device. But yeah, it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.